Jordan, this one's for you. Okay? Because I'm going to end up getting you a Terminator, but not the pull-through kinds. Sorry, you're not going to be spoiled. Alright. See? All I did, I'm going to do it again for you. You make a little incision around, okay? Not a deep one, just one that's big enough for you to spread it like this. See? And then... just big enough for you to break the seal on the cat cable. Alright? Then you spread them out like so. Orange and white, orange. Green and white, blue. Blue and white, green. Brown and white, brown. I'm gonna upload those shit to YouTube. Blue. As you spread them, you straighten them out. So, spread out like so. Orange, white, orange. Make sure you spread them out good. Green and white, blue. Blue and white, green. Brown and white, brown. Not only did I spread them out, but I untwisted the pairs. Twist them down deep enough so you got a nice flat little like fan here. Alright? There you go. Now you put them together. And straighten them out. Cross. There we go. Now you see, this is what it should look like for you. Orange, white, orange, green and white, blue, blue and white, green, brown, white, brown. Now, I'm going to cut close to my thumb, about a centimeter away, like a quarter of an inch. So I'm left with just that much. Okay? And you take your end, and starting with orange and white on the left, you get the flat side up. Okay, see how there's a little nub? Flat side up, orange, white on the left. You slide it through. You make sure each little pin gets in there. Let's see if it'll... come on, zoom in there. Clear up. Yeah, you can kind of see it. Alright. Push it tight, nice and tight. This is not the pull-through kind, so it's just going to end at the end there. Make sure you can push it through to where the blue is hitting that little spot, because that's where it's going to push the blue shielding or jacket down, whatever the hell you want to call it. So let's see, I'm going to check again. Orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue and white, green, brown and white, and brown. Push this shit through. And terminate. Booyah!